today's meals we are going to prepare ginger tea. So I'm going to boil water. To prepare ginger tea, you need a piece of ginger. You don't need the whole piece, you just need a little bit. This much would be enough. And make it into pieces like this. And you need orange pekoe tea. I'm using brown sugar. So the water has boiled now. I'm going to pour it in the cup. And transfer the ginger into the cup. One tea bag. And I'm going to get the sugar. 1 spoon. Mix it. And now you can remove the tea bag. You can leave the ginger pieces here because it gives you a really good aromatic. And also it diffuses in the tea as you drink it, and it tastes really good. So there you go. We have the ginger tea ready now, and let's put it in there. So we have the tea for myself and my husband.